to a huge airliner taking off. That is, I'm sure, a very dramatic sight from where you're all standing, ladies and gentlemen. From Airbus, the magnificent A380. Isn't that an impressive sight? Not the sort of normal departure one expects from an airliner, but it shows the flying control capabilities and performance of this A380. This particular aircraft is MSN4, one of two Airbus developed flight test A380s, powered by the Alliance GP7000 engine, each delivering about 70,000 pounds of thrust on takeoff. The 380 can also be powered by the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 turbofan. After a steep climb up 1500 feet, 180 knots, sharp turn back to run down the centre of the display line. Sending turn. The weather here yesterday when Nikon was flying was absolutely disgusting, but he thoroughly enjoyed himself. Making his own cloud. The moisture was so high, he was making his own cloud. Some of the turns. The A380 now approaching its 5th year of commercial service. Almost 80 A380s are in operation. The aircraft has a range of up to 8,500 nautical miles with a typical load of 525 passengers. The A380 program has won 253 firm orders from 19 airlines. Every day there's around 100 commercial A380 flights, and that takes the fleet to carry 1 million passengers each month. The British Airways start taking the delivery of R12 Rolls-Royce Part 380s next year. About the same time as we take delivery of our 787s, 24 of them start pitching up next year. Quite a complete change in British Airways. Isn't that a magnificent sight here above Farnborough, birthplace of British aviation. Lowest fuel burn per seat, the 380 allows airlines to reduce substantially their environmental footprints in terms of CO2 emissions. Achieve profitability, well that's part of the idea of it, and sustainable growth. Coming round now for a slow speed pass, going back to 120 knots, 2 miles a minute. Which looks incredibly slow for this big airliner to come majestically drifting past. The wingspan of the 380 is 79.8 meters. The height 42.1 and the length 72.8 meters. Actually, how many cricket pitches is that in the wingspan, Mark? Any idea?
Oh, now you're putting me on the spot.
Well, yeah, that's what you're here for.
Okay, that's going to be just short of 4 cricket pitches.
Well, how
cricket creases.
How long is a cricket pitch?
22 yards.
I'm glad you said yards. I was just metric stuff. I don't know. See what's coming up. System from Honeywell, TARDIS provides the displays. As an option, TARDIS head-up display units can be fitted. Given the commonality in cockpit design and flight control systems, crews can be cross-qualified on both the 380 and other Airbus family airlines. Indeed, many of the pilots who have flown this huge aircraft says it flies just like the A320, pulling up into a steep climb, up to about 2,200 feet, 180 knots, or a bumped over a push forward at the same time as the gear selected down, and the cool downwind and the blades start their takeoff run to go and hold before they come back into land. typical 3-class configuration, seating of just over 500 passengers. It is, however, certified to carry 853 passengers. The other end of the scale, have a VIP fit. And you can have anything you like, actually. If you're the customer and you want a 380, you can have it. Put the gear down now. Then you come in over the black sheds. Quite a remarkable display, considering the aircraft size. Certainly the agility of the airline has been shown off thanks to the fly-by-wire with envelope protection, keeping it safe at all times. And I think you'll probably agree, it was very, very quiet. Now you're also in for a dramatic view as she comes in to land. We do give you the best views here at Farnborough. You won't get this at a civvy airport. Get that close to an airliner as it comes in. Magnificent. Isn't that an impressive sight? The A380.